Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so today we're going to be doing an unboxing and reveal on the Acme Tools box that I did a Guess What's in the Box video on. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody. Alright, so we're going to cut the box open and get the contents out of the box. This should be the new, yep, it's the new Milwaukee top off. Move the box out the way. There's the top off, receipt, a little voucher card for wine, and holiday Acme Tools book. So this is item number, move the camera over here, move the light for you guys. So I don't knock the camera over. Check the tripod. Alright, so this is item number 2846-20. 175 watt power supply. Faster simultaneous power. USB-C PD. Recharge device is faster versus conventional wall chargers. 5 watts. Not all conventional wall chargers are 5 watts. Conventional, sure, from anything from 4 years ago and beyond, but most devices like my Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G, this is a USB-C device. It technically came from the factory with a 25 watt charger, wall charger, and you can get a 65 watt wall charger for this. This does on the power delivery port, it does, I believe, 45 watts. DC out, so continuous wattage 175 watts. Power source, any M18 battery. DC output, 5 volts at 2.4 amp, 12 watts at the USB-A port. USB-C power delivery port or PD port, 9 volts, 1.67 amps, 15 watts. 5, 9, 12, and 15 volts at 3 amps. That's impressive. 5, 9, 12, and 15 volts at 3 amps. My phone takes the 9 volt usually, and it could also do the 5 volt. So this does the 5 volt, 9 volt, 12 volt, and 15 volt at 3 amps, or 9 volt at 1.67 amps. AC output, 120 volt receptacle. Yeah, it looks like that's all the information on here. Full charge phone with a 12 times, with a 5.5 times, with a CP 2.0 is 2.4 times. Tablets 4.8 times with a 12, 2 times with a 5 amp, and 0.8 times with a 2.0. A laptop 2.7 times with a 12, 1 time with a 5, 0.5 times with a 2. Now this is all going to be subjective based off the size of the battery in the item. So if your laptop only has a 2-cell battery, this might be higher than, say, one of my laptops that has 12 cells. Because I have large gaming laptops. Their batteries are this big. So most of them have 12 to 15 cells. TV you can use for 280 minutes on an HD12, 118 minutes on an XC 5.0, and 46 minutes on a CP 2.0. A box fan is what it's showing, 151 minutes on a 12, 72 minutes on a 5, and 27 minutes on a CP 2.0. That might be different dependent on the fan. So if you use, for an example, the fan that DeWalt has, where, you know, the 20 volt fan, the job site fan, if you plug that into this, it might actually run a lot longer because it's not a full size, you know, 15-inch box fan. Okay. Okay, top off. Grab the information out of it. It does come with an instruction manual. With a whole lot of static on plastic. Here's an XC 5.0. It also does have a rafter hook, which I like. I like that it's got a rafter hook. Its battery is full. So let's see. I might have to do some comparisons between this guy and this guy, the M12 version. USB-A is on the left, USB-C is on the right. It says fast charging on my device. Come on. Fast charging. So the USB-A port does fast charge. You can always take these stickers off if you want as well. It's just there to give you information. It does have a warning and a temperature gauge on it. I do like that everything's on the top. So all the plugs and everything are on the top. And then if I grab USB-C to USB-C, which is this guy right here, and this cable will do up to 100 watts per second. This says super fast charging 2.0. Never seen my phone say that. That is nice. Super fast charging 2.0. That's impressive. That is something I have not seen show up before. Not even with this guy, which charges a max output of 100 watts. And per max wattage 100 watts per minute. Or per second, something like that. I think it's per second because the cable does 100 watts per second. I have never ever seen anything make the phone show up as super fast charging. Not even this. And this is meant, this has a 100 watt PD port. This one shows, I believe it's got a 45 watt PD port. So that's actually pretty impressive. I might have to do some more videos on the top off if you guys are interested in that. if there's anything in here. Just a couple language. It looks like there's only 1 or 2 pages. 5-volt DC USB up to 2.4 amps. USB-A, 15 watts, 5-volt DC, 2.4 amps, 9-volt DC, 1.67 amps. Rated output voltage for USB-C up to 45 watts, 3 amps at 5 volts DC, 9 volts DC, 12 volts DC, and 15 volts DC. So this will put out a max of 45 watts at 3 amps for every single variant, unless the item pulling the wattage requires 9 volts, 1.25 amps. Or 1.67 amps, I'm sorry. Operating temperature 0 degrees to 104 Fahrenheit. AC outlet, rafter hook, AC power on and off button, USB power on and off button, USB A port, USB C port, overload indicator, over temperature indicator, and internal fan. Fan's not shown, which the fan is right there. It's a little tiny computer fan. The phone went from 91% to 94% within about a minute or so. I'm actually very impressed with this so far. I do like that the ports have water ingress protection. I kind of wish that there was water ingress protection on the plug, but I'm sure I can just go grab a plug cap like this one right here. Plug cap. And just put this over the plug. Like that, if I wanted to. This is a safety cap, you know, it says safety first on it. It was one of the caps that I had for plugs for my house for my kids. But, you know, there's not much else I can say at the moment. I will have to give you guys an update later down the road. It doesn't move very much on this battery, which is impressive. Anybody that has Milwaukee tools knows that a lot of tools, they slide. They're not very stiff on the battery. They're not snug. This one is quite snug. But just figured to give you guys a short little demonstration. I'm not going to demonstrate the, and if you push the button again, it will turn it off. It lights up. The fan comes on. When you push the 120 volt plug power. I do appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the video, hanging out with me today. Take that back off. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I will leave a link in this down below in the description if you guys want to check it out. As well as you guys can look at this through any of my Milwaukee Pipeline live streams. It is the top off. I have the Pipeline links to this, to Acme Tools and Ohio Power Tools on those videos as well. Also at the top of the description, I also have an Ulsa Tools link. If you guys click on that link, you guys can get 10% off of your order, as well as it boosts me availability of 10% off of my next order. I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today and checking out the video. This is a Pipeline item that they've just released, and we'll do some upcoming more videos on it. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!